Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Please subscribe to Big Foodies to get the latest recipes and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Friends, today we are cooking Shimla mirch, also known as green bell peppers or capsicum, with paneer, also known as Indian cottage cheese. Green bell peppers are low in calories and contains 0 grams of fat and a good supply of vitamins and minerals. Paneer is also full of protein, calcium and other vitamins and folate. This dish is not only super easy to make with only a few ingredients that can be found in every kitchen, but tastes super delicious too. Let's check the ingredients now to make this delicious treat for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are going to cook a healthy recipe of green bell peppers or capsicum with Indian cottage cheese or paneer. So this is a very quick and easy recipe and it really cooks very fast. So we have taken about 2 green bell peppers, medium size, and we have washed and chopped it. You can wash and chop as per your desired size and shape. So I have already chopped the Indian cottage cheese or paneer in the square size pieces. You can choose the quantity of paneer and capsicum equal or as per your choice. I am taking the quantity of paneer and capsicum or green bell pepper equal. So this recipe doesn't require too much of oil. We have heated around 3 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Now we are adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of big size mustard seeds or badi raiki. Allow the mustard seeds to crackle. Once mustard seeds crackle, add a pinch of asafoetida. Now add the washed green bell pepper and paneer. Give it a stir. Keep the flame on medium while you are cooking it. Now add the salt as per your taste. So we are using the crushed red peppers. Now add the crushed red peppers as per your taste. So we have added about 2 teaspoons of crushed red peppers. Now mix it well. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then we'll check it after 2 minutes. Now we are checking after 2 minutes. Give it a stir. Now cover with a lid and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes. Then our green bell peppers with paneer is ready. So we have cooked it for 3 more minutes. You can see that. Give it a stir. You can see that the capsicum is nicely cooked and is very soft. So So our green bell pepper with Indian cottage cheese or paneer is ready, and we can serve it. So now we have served the healthy and quick green bell pepper with paneer, and it really tastes very delicious. This recipe tastes best with roti, paratha and puris. You can also mix it with rice of any kind and enjoy it, and it really tastes very delicious and is very healthy. So enjoy it with your family and friends, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.